Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Jupiter Linked.
Halor ka jingkyrshan jong ka Agatha Sangma, ya ka CAA, hau arjat ka kendai, hapo parlimen jong ka Lok Sabha, kumta tho uwei briew hapo Facebook group, ka ba ai kerteng ka lempung ki khun kari, hakabau la tho kumni, long MP Agatha Sangma, ilej a jingkyrshan ya ka CAA, dan long se Kong Ampareen ru, inlej a jingkyrshan sama i ya ka CAA, hameghalaya, hang takum ka jadbenru Khasi. Ngin sujar ngai ngin penjob dan burom ya iriki eja singkon banlong UMP na silong siit ha upra tepat ba kumbang ilaya bena baka Agatha Sangma na turasit kabadai na ka parti NPP bat kumjuro ka Kong Ampareen na silong siit kabadai na ka parti NPP kin saya kunya ka MP election ha une ubna April hato pin Krisyan na kini ki arngut bakin long ki MP jongi kumban sukudau kendiat baka CAA kedekaan keba ailat ciki briew kibana Bangladesh na Pakistan bat na Afghanistan bakin wan song snong hapo India kebadai na keken hunniam Hindu Sikhs Jains Kristen bat Persis keba syalik ben haki Muslim te hato parlok pis ngauday ya kenekaan ban pentrekam hapo India kamtam hapo Meghalaya te saya komen mapi parlok mentangin pet kendiat ya ka jingkren jong i Agatha Sangma bai a jingkyrshan ya ka CAA hapo parlimen jong ka Lok Sabha.
I too am a lone member of my political party, the National People's Party, and I rise here today to extend my support to this amendment bill. First of all, I would like to give certain reasons for it. Madam, I first of all would like to thank our Honorable Home Minister for the extensive consultation that was taken place before this bill was tabled. So, Madam, there's one more thing I would like to, through you, ask our Honorable Home Minister. It's a small clarification. In case we have applicants who are already residing in my state of Meghalaya and they receive citizenship post all the technicalities that have been fulfilled, is there a plan to relocate these citizens into another area or into another location? I would request the Home Minister to kindly give us certain clarifications to this question, that all the applicants coming from the exempted areas of the Northeast, where would they be relocated in case they are found eligible for citizenship? So these are just a few concerns that I have, and with these few words I would like to extend my support. I would like to thank the Home Minister for the extensive 119 hours of consultation he did with the Honorable Chief Ministers of the states in the Northeast and the civil societies and the student union.